Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the fastest way to get to 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. And I'm going to be covering 8 different ways that I used to get my first 1,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let's jump over to the desktop and I'll run through them. And make sure you stay tuned right to the very end, because I'm giving away some freebies as well at the end that will help you even more build and grow your channel. Okay, so like I said, we are going to go through some of the tips that I've used to create your fastest way to actually go and get your first 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Now, why would you want to go and get 1,000 subscribers? If you don't know and you're new to YouTube, then once you've got 1,000 subscribers and you've had 4,000 watch hours, you can then apply to have monetization on your channel. Now, that is obviously very good if you're looking to make money on YouTube. Now, there are other ways of obviously making money on YouTube as well. We're not going to go into those on this video. This is going to be purely and simply about tactics that you can use to get more subscribers on your channel. Now, okay, the first one is basically pick a niche and then stick with that niche. So now this channel of mine here is in the make money online niche, and as you can see, all the videos are very similar and they're all to do with making money online. Okay, so that's the first tip I would give you, is to create the videos and make them all very similar. You can have a wide niche at the beginning and then do quite a wide spectrum of videos within that niche, and then you'll find ones are more popular than others, and then you can niche down and concentrate more on those as you go forward. But certainly what you don't want to do is create one say about making money, and then another one about your dogs, and then another one about your holiday in Corfu or whatever, because people will find it struggling. They will struggle to actually subscribe to that channel because they will see that not everything is for them. And if they do subscribe on one and then you start doing videos about other stuff, then they're going to unsubscribe as well. So you definitely don't want to do. So make sure that you keep everything exactly the same. Now, if you're going to try and find your niche, then check out the video at the end of this video here, and it will show you how you can go and actually choose your niche. Now, okay, that's the first way that I have obviously maintained and obviously got more subscribers. The second way is obviously be consistent in your creating of your videos. So what I would suggest is, if you're just starting out, post at least once a week. I was usually posting 2 or 3 times a week, but you've got to post at least once a week. You post, the quicker your channel will grow. Okay, now I'm not saying it's going to grow exponentially very quickly after a few videos, because different niches are take longer to actually get established. It depends what sort of niche you are in. If it's more competitive, then you're going to have to upload more videos, but make sure you post every single week at least, and if you can, post every single day. Now, obviously that is going to depend on what time and that you have. But make it consistent. Don't go and post 5 videos one week and then don't go and post for 5 weeks. Spread them out. Okay, if you create a lot of videos at once and you know you're not going to be able to do them in the future, then spread them out. Do 1 every week or 2 every week or something like that. Now, the third one, which is quite important and a lot of people miss out on, is utilize your header here, guys, and your profile picture. Make sure you have a good profile picture. If you're actually trying to brand yourself on your YouTube channel, then make sure you've got a great head and shoulders, sometimes a bit quirky head and shoulders shot of yourself. Also, make sure that you are in the header as well, and also give people a call to action in the header, and tell people again that you're going to have new videos released every week. And if you can, tell people what the channel is about. So straight away, as soon as they hit your channel, they can see that, like say on mine, they can see, well, he's obviously into making money because that's what it says. It says he's releasing new videos every week, and these are the sort of videos he's going to record about, which will be easy ways to make money online, etc. And he's also, what's this? Start here, and there's a start making money online, and you can press that button. So make sure, again, that you utilize the whole of the header area. Now again, make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. I'm going to be giving away a free gift for you, which is going to help you utilize and make the most out of your channels, including your header and channel art. Number 4 in my list of getting a faster ways to actually get 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and that is within your videos, make sure you actually ask the viewer to subscribe. So for argument's sake, I would say now, obviously, by the way, if you're loving this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's the only thing you have to do. It takes a few seconds to do, and boom, you've actually asked them to subscribe. Okay, and you'll be surprised how many people go, wow, yes, I am enjoying this, boom, I'll subscribe. You can also do that a couple of times. You can do it at the end of the video as well. So if people just scroll right to the end of the videos, which some people do, you can obviously make sure they subscribe there too. And again, this is something that a lot of people do not do, guys. Now, the 5th thing that I want to cover is you've obviously got to get eyes on your actual video. Now, and the way to do that, and the way you're going to do that quicker and faster, is by having a great YouTube thumbnail. Now, as you can see here, these all stand out. They are not boring thumbnails. They've got me in the thumbnail because I'm trying to brand me as well again. So that's obviously a good thing. So when you're searching something, then if it comes down on the right hand side of the videos, of any videos that you're watching, you may have other videos that are related which will pop up as well. You might say, well, I'm not very arty, I'm not very creative, I can't do thumbnails. Well, I'm going to show you a tool now where you can actually use for free, and which will actually get you these thumbnails very, very quickly and easily. And this tool is a tool called Canva, and basically you just sign up for a free account here. So it says here, what do you want to design? So if you said a YouTube, put in YouTube, and it says YouTube channel art, YouTube logo, YouTube thumbnail. So if we go to YouTube thumbnail, and this is how quick and easy it is, guys, and you'll get all these different templates down here, and as you can see, a lot of them are free, and then you can just adjust these and change these to suit your particular video that you're actually. So if we click on this one, which is free, and as you can see, this is all set out to make money in 2022, but you can change these. Look, you can just hover over them and change them very, very quickly and easy. And you can also do this from scratch. You can just have a blank canvas here, and if you're more creative, you can obviously do other things as well. You can upload images here, so if you've got images of yourself, you can upload them as well. So very, very quick and easy to do, and there are so many videos on YouTube as well about how to create thumbnails with Canva, so check those out as well. But this, like I say, is a great tool. You can use it for your channel art and for your thumbnails. And like I say, you need thumbnails, good thumbnails that can stand out, so you're going to get clicks on your actual videos. Okay, so the next one I'm going to tell you about. Some people use this, some people don't. I used it for a little while in the beginning when you're very first starting out and you've got hardly any subscribers. And what that is you actually do a search on YouTube for similar keywords that you would actually be looking to rank for and what your channel is about. So if mine's about easy ways to make money online, then I would search that and see what videos come up. Then what I would do, I would go and follow and subscribe to these actual channels that are ranking in the top of the search engines, because obviously they have already got followers, they are obviously established. And then what I'd also do, once you get a notification every time that they make a new video, I would go and put a comment on their video. Now, don't just comment, oh, nice video or anything like that. Make it a really good comment, relate to something that's already been in the video. So watch the video, so they know you've actually watched the video, and then hopefully they will then pin your comment or make it a feature comment. So then people will see it, and then people possibly would come over and click on you and come over to your channel, and that's how you can start to get a few followers and subscribers. This works best when you're in your early stages. Once you start getting a following yourself, then that's not quite so bad. So if you already got a major following, then that's no problem. But if you haven't, if you're starting from scratch, then this is a good way to just start getting your channel out there and start getting it amongst people that are already in your niche and doing well. Now the next one I want to talk about, obviously we just talked about keywords, so I want to talk about keywords in more detail and how you can go and choose the right keywords for your videos. Now there's no way that as a new channel you are going to get a massive amount of views on any video straight away. It's very, very unlikely, but you can concentrate and choose different keywords that are going to be relevant to your actual channel that you could actually rank for. I'm going to talk about a tool here called vidIQ. Now this is an extension that you can get on, you can just sign up for, and it does cost a few bucks per month. I would recommend you get sort of spend the $10 a month and then invest in this, because this will help you build your YouTube channel. And as you can see, it's designed to boost your YouTube views. And obviously if you get more views, then you're more likely, if you do these other tricks like asking people to subscribe and that sort of thing, then you're more likely to get your 1,000 subscribers even quicker. Now once you're on the vidIQ dashboard, as you can see here, this will tell you all different bits and pieces. You can actually put top keywords that you want to actually rank for, and you can also put in there the competition. So these people that you've actually followed, this you can actually put in here, and you can get their competitors actually performance as well. Use it more than ever is you get daily ideas of videos here, and you also get keywords. So if we go onto the keywords here, and for argument's sake, if we put in dog training, I know that's nothing to do with my niche, but we'll just search it. And as you can see here, dog training, the keyword dog training has a search volume of 342,000, but it's high competition. So if you're in the dog training niche, there's no way that you're probably going to actually rank for that initially. So as a new channel, you need to find something that's got low competition and still got a few thousand views that you could make a video about. So if we scroll down, and we don't have to go far before you actually come to advanced dog training. Okay, and as you can see here, that's got 1,400 views search volume, and the competition is low. So you've got a better chance of obviously ranking for that video term of advanced dog training. And again, you can use this for various different things, because you could also go down and click on advanced dog training here, which then gives you the low term there. And then as you can see here, how to train a service dog. So that is 1,600, that's low. So you've also got this one here, service dog training. So that's 4,700 search volume, and that's low again in the search competition. So as you can see straight away, I've found 3 good video titles that you could make a video about that you've got a good chance of ranking for, even as a small channel. So definitely check out vidIQ. It's very easy as well, because if you go across and you are searching on a particular video, so this is a video I made about a company called Free Cash, and I made that back in August. And as you can see, if you scroll down, when you've got this loaded, once you're on YouTube, this will give you stats for any video that's on YouTube. So if we scroll down, it gives you what the SEO is, and the links and various other different information. But the best information is this information here, which it tells you which video tags. Obviously, that's again, you could use the keyword tool here to actually find out. So if I put free cash in here, and as you can see, freecash.com, free cash review, they're all very, very low. Free cash themselves, 60,000 search volume, very low competition. So that is why I actually targeted this video. And as you can see, I'm actually ranking number 2 for free cash, number 5 in the YouTube rankings for free cash app, free cash payment proof number 1, freecash.com number 3, and freecash.com review number 4. That's how easy it is that you could do even more research and get the right videos to actually get in front of people. And again, more views will mean that you're going to get more subscribers. It's as simple as that, guys. So definitely check out vidIQ for your YouTube channel. Now, the last thing I want to mention, and again, a lot of people do this from the word go. They make until their channel is big, where it's a total mistake. You should do it right from the beginning, and that is start building an email list. Now, I know email marketing has nothing to do with YouTube, but it does, because if you can start building a list, this basically means is once you're building a list, you can actually then, when you've got a new video out, you can then email your list to say, I've got a new video out, go and check it out. So again, you'll get more views, which in turn will hopefully help keep and push the video up the rankings. And again, like we say, more rankings, higher rankings is going to get you more views, which again is going to get you more subscribers. And again, when you're email marketing, you could then email them about other things as well in your niche. And at the same time, you can say, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the button here. So again, it's another way which you can drive people back to your YouTube channel and have them actually subscribe. So again, you're going to get your 1,000 subscribers much quicker. You're probably saying, I don't know anything about email marketing. Use a company here called Aweber. You can create landing pages in Aweber. You can obviously build a massive list within Aweber, and then you can obviously create an email follow-up email sequence that as soon as someone actually subscribes to your email list, then these emails are going to go out automatically. And again, I've got another video that I've done all about setting up Aweber, so you want to check that out at the link above here. And like I say, not a lot of people do this. They wait until they have got a big channel before they go and do this. But that's the wrong thing to do, guys. Do it, set it up now as soon as you get going, because this can be growing all the time. And also, you can use Aweber to obviously sell products, affiliate products and things like that. So once you get them onto the list, not only are you going to then send them back to your YouTube videos and send them back to your channel to subscribe, etc. You can also send them emails about affiliate products that are related to your niche, and then you can actually start monetizing your channel before you even hit the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. So again, this is a win-win situation. So the small amount that you're actually going to pay for your Aweber and for your vidIQ could be offset by actually selling some of the products within your niche, and then you could even end up with start to make a profit every single month, even as a small YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed those tips that I have used and to build my channel, and as you can see, I'm up to just over 8,500 subscribers now. So it really does work, and it will help you get to your goals a lot quicker and grow your channel much faster as well. And like I say, I promised you at the beginning of this video that I would actually give you some tools that are going to help you even faster actually with the growth of your YouTube channel. And I've put together some actual free cheat sheets that will help you build, grow and make money from your YouTube channel. And all you got to do is check out the first link in the description below here, and this will take you through to this page. Just put your primary email address in, and then I will obviously just deliver those cheat sheets to you, and then you can make sure that you've ticked off everything, and it's all to do with creating videos, setting up your channel, promoting those videos, all that sort of thing. So this is going to be a real good thing to actually help you grow your YouTube channel. Okay, so I hope you found that interesting and useful. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Make sure you watch this video next. And if you are new to the channel, obviously make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. So that's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.